Welcome travelers. Today on the Tripado Traveler Review, I'm going to look at the Pentax Zoom 2 mini binocular set. For my latest camping trip, I wanted to get something small that I could use to carry around with me, but not be encumbered by the weight. And what's really great about these Pentax is that they're really small and they're lightweight, so they're perfect for the job. One quick note is I didn't buy these new. I found them at a thrift shop, and you can see from the wear on the leather case that they're a little bit older, but they still held up pretty good, so I'm going to review these and recommend them for sure. Let's get to it. So the basic set comes with the binoculars themselves, the leather carrying case, and plastic lens covers. The binoculars themselves are small, lightweight and compact, and very easy to use. Like most binoculars, it has the focusing knob on the top, so it's easy to reach. Plus it also has adjustable lenses, so you can adjust the ergonomics for ease of use. As you can see here, the lens protectors are plastic and they get warped a little bit, but it's good to have it to protect the lenses. I thought it was kind of strange that they only had one for the back set of lenses instead of the front. It still works, so it's good to protect those lenses. The faux leather carrying case holds up well. As you can see, there's a little bit of wear on this one here, and it has soft cushion inside to protect the binoculars. The outside has Velcro to hold it closed, plus it has a belt loop if you want to hold it on your waist. I personally never do that, but if you wanted to be able to carry it without having to worry about pulling it out of your bag, this works perfectly. This is the beautiful lake campsite that I was at, and I thought it would be a good idea to try to show you what it's like to actually use these binoculars. Alright, so this might seem a little strange, but I'm going to line up my camera with the binoculars so you can actually look through them and see what it's like to have resolution. Now obviously you're not going to do this yourself, you're just going to look through them, but for the benefit of this video we'll get to see what it looks like. As you can tell, the resolution is really clear and it has real good focus, so it's definitely something that'll give you a good view of whatever you're looking at. When not in use, the lens caps fit on the lenses nice and snug, and the binoculars fit in the case. And what I really like is that the lid is molded to the shape of the lenses of the binoculars, so it stays on nice and snug. Now the Zoom 2 is an older model and it's harder to find for sale. You could still find it on eBay and secondhand stores and stuff like that, but they're not available on Amazon as far as I could tell. But for my money, these Pentax were one of the best little purchases I've ever gotten, so I would recommend them if you could find a pair. Even if it's not a Zoom 2, Pentax is still worth getting. If you've got binoculars, whether it's Pentax or not, let me know in the comments what you think of yours. I'd like to hear about it. Thanks for watching. Remember to keep exploring, and I'll see you next time.